Nakabenta ki KHUBOR ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilo ki KHUBOR pamenta kasni. Plie Conrad ke Sangma ya Karkhana Pynmih LED bulb kabadan Hawakhana Tura ya kani Karkhana GHE lakin tiu bala kershan ka sarkar Meghalaya kidan hadu prapusan ngot kishenrang bat kenthei badon kedi kabat sedang ya kani ka GHE impact venture haka assembling unit Conrad Sangma ulaong maka jing sedang cokani ka Karkhana kadai ka sinjam ka banikong haka bantaw ka green energy solution Ula kerpat ikipat bakin pendan kami kitiar ke belak Pynmih na Meghalaya haki yang kisem haki cakat tray ban pensilor ki beriu ka JYLLA ban sedang kum kini kijat kam.
We are here in Tura today where the first LED assembling unit has been set up by an organization called GHE. This is of course a first step towards many more to come, where we are encouraging and trying to build up the ecosystem to promote clean energy and efficient energy. And the LED assembling unit that we have here will be now also replicated in other parts of the state. And we hope that this made in Meghalaya product or assembled product in Meghalaya will be used in an extensive way in different departments, houses and organizations, and I encourage everyone that they should promote by using this. It's not only for promoting the organization and the work that they're doing, but more importantly for even your personal consumption and savings. This will play a big role, and the most beautiful part is that these are products that are being assembled here in Meghalaya and are being assembled by our own local boys and girls who have been trained to make this. Almost 85 boys and girls are now involved in GHE, and with the CM Solar Mission coming up, we expect that more and more of our boys and girls will be now involved in different programs like these. And we hope that in the days to come, not only the LED lights, but also the batteries and other products required for clean energy, that we will be able to slowly and steadily produce and manufacture here in Meghalaya itself. So I congratulate GHE, I congratulate the entire team, I congratulate our boys and girls who are manufacturing this and assembling this, and I once again encourage all of you to use these products in a way to promote the unit, as well as to also save power and improve the efficiency at your individual houses also. Thank you very much.